Hello students, we are continuing with our fifth lesson and today you are going to learn about the last part of the lesson. And today's session we are going to discuss the questions from page number 86. Second question of the page is taken and first question I had already discussed in the last video. And the question is, find out which of these figures look the same on 1 by 10. Mark them with a tick mark. And which are those figures which will not look the same after 1/10 and mark them with a cross mark. Here are given 6 figures. We will consider them one by one. The first figure, this figure has 3 lines of symmetry. And you know the figures which have 3 lines of symmetry or 6 lines of symmetry will look the same on a 1/10. And shape wise, this figure will look the same on a 1/10, but the colors of the circles are different. As the colors are different, it will not look the same on a 1/10. Shape wise, it will be looking the same, but the color wise, it will not look on a 1/10. So we have to put a cross mark here. And second figure also, in one pattern, the color is different and it will not be looking the same on the 1/10. And the next figure cannot be divided into two identical halves. So this figure also will not look the same on a 1/10. And if we consider the last figure, last three figures, fourth, fifth, and sixth, all three will be looking the same even after the 1/10. See this triangle, it has 3 lines of symmetry and it will look the same on a 1/10. Same, this second, fifth figure is already discussed yesterday and this also will look the same on a 1/10. And the last figure, even though it is given in a circle, this figure has also 3 lines of symmetry and this will be also looking the same on a 1/10. So remember, last three figures 4, 5 and 6 will look the same on a 1/10 and the first three will not be looking the same. And you don't have to draw these figures in the notebook. You can mark in the textbook itself. Answer is given in the next slide. See, first, second and third you will be putting the cross mark and the last three you will put the tick mark as they can be, they will be looking the same on a 1/10. Okay, now we will consider the next question. The next question is, try and change the shapes below in such a way that they look the same on 1/10. Here the first figure, inside the yellow circle, a small blue circle is given. If we remove this blue circle, the figure will be looking the same on the 1/10. Or we can bring this blue circle to the center of the yellow circle. That way also the figure will be looking the same. So it has two answers. Either you can remove the blue circle from there or you can bring the blue circle to the center. Okay. And the second figure, see around the yellow circle, you can see 6 small circles and they are given 3 different colors. Instead of giving these 3 different colors, if we give them two colors means alternative bands, or sorry, alternative circles, same colors, such as one blue, then green, again blue, again green, again blue, again green. That means any two colors only to select and give the same color in alternative circles, then the figure will be looking the same on a 1/10. And in the third figure, around this circle, the bands are given in two colors. But instead of giving this way, here one blue, then continuously two orange bands are there, again one blue and two orange. Instead of giving this way, if we give the same color in alternative bands, again blue, orange, again blue, orange, blue, orange. That way, alternatively, if we give the colors, this figure also will look the same on the 1/10. And this fourth figure, There is no correction. This figure itself, it is looking the same on the 130, and we don't have to do any correction here. And the last one, as I told in case of the first one, this yellow circle from the top corner, if we are bringing to the center, it will look the same, or we can remove that yellow circle, then it will be looking the same. Answers I have given in the next slide. See, here blue circle is brought to the center. Here purple and green, two colors are given, and the same colors are given in the alternative circles. Here in alternative bands, the same colors are given, and this fourth figure is the same only, and fifth one, the yellow circle is brought to the center. Okay, children? Now, the next question, draw some shapes which will look the same after 130. And from your textbook figures I have taken, but the simplest one I have taken, and this one you have to draw in the notebook. Three shapes I have taken. One is the triangle, second one is a fan taken, next figure also a triangle, inside that another triangle. All these three are simple to draw, and you give them color also, so that they will be looking very attractive. The next question, draw some shapes which will look the same after 1/6 turn. So they will have 6 lines of symmetry. One I have taken a star and one a hexagon. So both you can do in the notebook. Children, you have completed the textbook explanation, and the workbook we will be starting in the next day by Mary Miss. Okay.